ito na lahat, 12 pieces na muffin. So, tikman na natin. Ayan. Kayo na bahala sa sa coffee o kaya tea. Ayan. Bismillah. Wala barakatillah. Masarap. I will blend this porridge or oats. This is product of Pakistan. And I use 1 cup of this oats. Now we have to blend this or grind this oats because I have to make something recipe for today. Now we have to on now. I use 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So I use this one. It's already finished. So I use another one here. And this one, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I have to add also half cup of semonilla, and this is optional. Now we have to mix like this. And then set aside. So in another bowl, I use 2 eggs. And now next is vanilla. 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup. And then organic honey. We have organic honey. Now we have to use 2 tablespoons. So this is enough. And by the way, I add 2 tablespoons of sugar here in grinded oats and what you call this? Cocoa powder and semonilla. For semonilla, no need to grind, only oats. Now next is evaporated milk. I use this milk pack because I don't have this organic fresh milk, buffalo or cow. So I use this fresh milk now. I use half cup. Now we have to mix like this. We have to mix well. So this is already mixed well. Now we have to add this one here. Then we have to mix again this one. So this is already mixed well. Now we have to put now here in what you call this cupcake, like that. Oh, maybe this is lacking. Because only 1 cup of grinded oats and half cup of simonilla. I must be we have to make all this one all. So I put already here in cup, what you call this? Cup paper. Now we have to put toppings. This is organic walnuts. So I make grind this one, not little bit grind like this, and also sesame seeds. You can add also any kind of nuts like peanuts or anyone. So I have this available. Now I have to use this one. Or raisins, you can put also, but my raisins is already finished. No problem, this two only, sesame seeds and walnuts. And if you have this squash seeds, then you can use also. Or this sunflower seeds, you can put also as toppings. Now next we have to put now this sesame seeds. So we have to leave this now for 30 minutes. Then we have to bake in my unique oven using this sand or yung buhangin. Sand is already hot. Now we can put now this one. We'll put now inside. Bismillah. This is my unique oven. Now let's check after 20 minutes. So I'm sure this is already cooked or it's already baked. Yan.